The story of Frankenstein was born out of peculiar circumstances. Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted in 1815 and is considered to be the deadliest volcanic eruption in history. The next year, 1816, there was no summer because the globe was obscured in ash and dust, choking out heat and sunlight, causing a famine and the first global cholera outbreak. Because the weather was unpleasant, people spent more time indoors, and Mary Shelley was one of them. She met with others and listened to men like Lord Byron, Dr. Polidori, and her husband, Percy Shelley, discussing galvanization of human corpses and if they could be reanimated post-mortem. Lord Byron suggested a contest where they would all try to write the best horror story, and I think it's safe to say that out of them all, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein won.